friends, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about determining the rate of change and the initial value when we're talking about linear equations. Remember, linear just means line, and when we're talking about a line, we use y equals mx plus b. This guy right here is our slope or our rate of change. That means the same thing. And then this guy right here is our y-intercept or our starting amount. Y-intercept or starting amount. Okay, the very first thing that I like to do when I am given a table in order, or even a graph, in order to find the formula or the equation is start by using my slope formula. You can do this by picking any 2 points from your table. I usually just grab the first two, so 1, comma, 5,660, and 2, comma, 6040. All right, so I have 2 points. They just have to be anywhere on your table. Just don't mix and match. You can't do that part. Now, our slope formula, as a reminder, is the difference in your y's over the differences in your x. And because we're doing subtraction, you got to keep them in order. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Visually, I like to think of it like this. This minus this over this minus this. This is always why I stack them. This minus this over this minus this. So what we have is 6040 minus 5660, 5,660, over 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. All right, let's take a look at that one. We do 6040 minus 5,660. We get 380, and then 2 minus 1 is 1. So we now know our rate is 380. So that's our slope. So we're close. Remember, our formula is y equals mx plus b. Those are the two things we need, is our slope and our y-intercept. Well, we've got our slope now. It's our rate of change, which is 380. Now, finding your y-intercept, this is also called your starting amount. What you can do is take this change, this rate, and we're going to subtract it until we get to 0 for our x. This guy right here is always when your x equals 0. So let's come back up here. If I take my 5,660 and I subtract minus 380, I am going to get, let's see, 5,660 minus 380. I end up with 5,280. So when I'm at 0 minutes, my altitude is 5,280. So that's my starting amount, 5,280. Okay. Excellent, friends. Hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, let your teacher know. Otherwise, look forward to seeing you next time.